JavaScript has become the go-to language for web development, powering everything from simple websites to complex web applications. With its widespread adoption and ever-growing ecosystem, it's no surprise that numerous JavaScript frameworks have emerged to make developers' lives easier. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 JavaScript frameworks that have gained immense popularity and are helping developers create powerful, scalable, and maintainable web applications. We'll also give an honorable mention to Node.js and clarify its place in the JavaScript ecosystem. First up, we have React. Developed by Facebook, React is an open-source JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Its virtual DOM implementation makes it one of the most performant and efficient frameworks available. React is known for its component-based architecture, which promotes code reusability and easier maintainability. With a vast community and a plethora of tools, React has become a favorite among developers. Let's go over some of the key features. Virtual DOM for improved performance. React uses a virtual representation of the actual DOM, allowing it to calculate the optimal way to update the UI with minimal changes. Unidirectional data flow with Flux or Redux. This design pattern simplifies state management by ensuring that data flows in one direction, making it easier to reason about and debug. Next up, my personal favorite, JSX syntax for seamless HTML and JavaScript integration. JSX is an XML-like syntax extension for JavaScript, allowing developers to write markup and logic in the same file. A large ecosystem of libraries and tools. React's popularity has led to the development of a vast array of libraries and tools that can be used to extend its functionality. Next up, we have Angular. Initially released by Google in 2010, Angular has evolved into a powerful and mature JavaScript framework. Angular uses a component-based architecture and provides a complete solution for building large-scale applications. It promotes test-driven development, making it easier to catch bugs and improve code quality. Let's go over Angular's key features. Dependency injection for modular and testable code. Angular's dependency injection system allows developers to build modular applications, making it easier to manage dependencies and write testable code. Two-way data binding for seamless UI updates. This feature automatically synchronizes the UI with the underlying data model, simplifying UI updates and reducing boilerplate code. Angular has a comprehensive suite of built-in directives and services. Angular includes a rich set of directives and services for common tasks like form validation, HTTP requests, and animations. Reactive programming with RxJS. Angular integrates with the RxJS library, enabling developers to use reactive programming patterns for managing asynchronous data streams. Next up, we have Vue.js. Vue.js is a progressive framework that has gained popularity for its simplicity and ease of use. Created by Evan You, Vue.js is designed to be incrementally adoptable, allowing developers to use it for small parts of their projects or scale it up for larger applications. Its gentle learning curve and versatility have made it a favorite among developers. Vue's key features include a virtual DOM for improved performance. Like React, Vue.js also uses a virtual DOM to optimize UI updates, reducing the time spent on expensive DOM manipulations. Vue.js also has two-way data binding for seamless UI updates. Vue supports two-way data binding, making it easy to keep the UI in sync with the underlying data model. Vue also has a simple yet powerful API for creating reusable components. Vue.js provides an intuitive API that allows developers to create reusable components with ease. And last but not least, a growing ecosystem of libraries and tools. As Vue's popularity grows, so does this ecosystem, with an increasing number of libraries and tools available to extend its functionality. Next up, we have Express.js. Express.js is a minimalist, unopinionated web framework for Node.js. It is widely used for creating server-side applications and RESTful APIs. Express.js provides an easy-to-use API, making it a popular choice for developers who want to build web applications without the overhead of a full-fledged framework. Let's go over some of the key features. Express has a minimalistic and flexible architecture. Its unopinionated design allows developers to choose the components they need, resulting in a lightweight and tailored application. Express also has middleware support for easy extensibility. It supports middleware functions that can be used to extend its functionality, making it easy to add features like authentication and error handling. Express has a robust routing system. It provides a powerful and flexible routing system, allowing developers to create complex and dynamic routes with ease. And lastly, it has support for various templating engines. Express supports a variety of templating engines, giving developers the freedom to choose the one that best fits their needs. And last but not least, we have Svelte. Svelte is a relatively new framework that has gained traction for its unique approach to web application development. Unlike other frameworks that rely on a virtual DOM, Svelte compiles their code to highly efficient JavaScript, resulting in faster rendering times and reduced bundle sizes. This makes Svelte an excellent choice for performance-conscious developers. And of course, let's go over some of the key features. A compiler-based architecture for optimized runtime performance. Svelte compiles components into highly efficient JavaScript code, eliminating the need for a virtual DOM and resulting in faster rendering times. Reactive programming without the need for explicit state management. Svelte's reactive programming model allows developers to write code that automatically updates when data changes, without the need for additional libraries or explicit state management. Component-based architecture for easier maintainability. Like other modern frameworks, Svelte uses a component-based architecture, promoting code reusability and maintainability. And lastly, a growing ecosystem of libraries and tools. Although Svelte is relatively new, its ecosystem is growing rapidly, with an increasing number of libraries and tools available to extend its functionality. And of course, we have to have an honorary mention for Node.js. Node.js is often mistakenly referred to as a JavaScript framework, but it's essential to clarify that it's not a framework but a runtime environment. Built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, Node.js enables developers to run JavaScript on the server side, opening up new possibilities for web development. Node.js has played a crucial role in the popularization of JavaScript and has paved the way for many of the frameworks discussed in this video, such as Express.js, which is specifically designed for Node.js. Choosing the right JavaScript framework can be a daunting task given the vast variety of options available. The top 5 frameworks discussed in this video, React, Angular, Vue.js, Express.js, and Svelte, have earned their spots by providing powerful features, ease of use, and a strong community support. Ultimately, the best choice will depend on your project's specific needs and your familiarity with the framework. Regardless of your choice, these frameworks will help you build web applications that are scalable, maintainable, and enjoyable to develop. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new or picked out the framework you're going to use for your next project. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.